Welcome to chemistry classes. In this video, I am going to discuss about intermediate first year chemistry topic hydrocarbons. In this hydrocarbons topic, I am going to discuss electrophilic addition reactions of, that is, chemical properties of alkenes. In my previous videos of this hydrocarbons topic, I have discussed how alkenes are prepared and then electrophilic addition reaction, that is addition of hydrogen, addition of halogen and addition of hydrogen halide to alkenes. In this video, I am going to discuss some of other chemical properties of alkenes. Other chemical properties of alkenes. Thank you for watching Trinath chemistry classes. Please like the video, share and subscribe the channel. So in my previous, I have discussed alkenes will participate in electrophilic addition reactions. Electrophilic addition reactions, alkenes will participate in electrophilic addition reactions. In that addition reactions, we have seen addition of hydrogen. When alkenes are treated with hydrogen in the presence of catalysts like palladium, platinum, nickel, electrophilic addition takes place and alkenes are formed. And then we have seen halogens. Chlorine, when chlorine or bromine treated with alkenes, here also electrophilic addition reaction takes place and vicinal dihalides are formed. And in addition of hydrogen halide, we have seen three cases. One is symmetrical alkene, and in unsymmetrical, according to Markovnikov rule, then third one is according to anti-Markovnikov rule. So in this video, I am going to discuss some of the other chemical properties of alkenes. That is, one is addition of sulfuric acid. Right? When alkenes are treated with cold sulfuric acid, cold and concentrated sulfuric acid, electrophilic addition reaction takes place, and electrophilic addition takes place and alkyl hydrogen sulfates are formed. When alkenes are treated with cold sulfuric acid, cold and concentrated sulfuric acid, electrophilic addition reaction takes place and alkyl hydrogen sulfates are formed. So, for example, if you take ethene, when treated with cold and concentrated sulfuric acid. So here also there is a one H plus and HSO4 minus. So one is added to the one carbon, one H plus is added to the one carbon, CH3, then CH2, HS. So this is called ethyl hydrogen sulfate. OSO3H. This is nothing but ethyl hydrogen sulfate. So when the same alkene is added to the, when same alkene is treated with cold and concentrated sulfuric acid, when it's unsymmetrical alkene, if it is symmetrical alkene, we will get only one product. So in case of unsymmetrical alkenes, again it occurs according to the Markovnikov rule. Here I have already told H plus and HSO4 minus. That's why here the negative part attacks the carbon having less number of hydrogens. SO3H and CH. So the if when sulfuric acid adds to the unsymmetrical alkene, the reaction happens according to the Markovnikov rule. According to the Markovnikov rule. So this is the one chemical property of another chemical reaction of addition reaction of alkenes. Next one is addition of water. Addition of water. When alkenes are treated with water. Alkenes are treated with water in the presence of acids like H2SO4. Here also electrophilic addition reaction takes place. Electrophilic addition reaction takes place and alcohols are formed. Alcohols are formed. When alkenes are treated with water in the presence of acids, few drops of concentrated acids such as sulfuric acid, water molecule adds to the alkene and alcohols are formed. If it is symmetrical alkene, there is no question. If it is unsymmetrical alkene, again here also the product will be formed according to the Markovnikov rule. According to the Markovnikov rule. So here also CH3, CH2. If it is unsymmetrical alkene, what we will get? CH3. So the positive part here, H plus and OH minus. Negative part attacks the carbon having less number of hydrogen. Here only there is one hydrogen. Here we will have two hydrogens. That's why here the negative part attacks the carbon having less number of hydrogens. This is the next one, addition of water. Next one is ozonolysis. When alkenes are treated with ozone, initially alkene ozonide are formed. Alkene ozonides are formed which on hydrolysis with Zn by H2O. Aldehydes and ketones are formed. Aldehydes and ketones are formed. When alkenes are treated with ozone, what is happening? Initially alkene ozonides are formed. Which on hydrolysis with Zn by H2O gives aldehydes or ketones. So this, when alkenes are treated with ozone, we will get, this is the alkene ozone. So which on hydrolysis gives formaldehyde. If same the propane is treated, right? So here in place of the carbon double, CH3. Then which on hydrolysis? What we will get is 1 mole of acetaldehyde and 1 mole of formaldehyde. Right? So here these are the products. So CH3 which on CH3 CHO plus HC double bond. So this is ozonolysis reaction. So it will be useful. It is important for in 2 marks question also. What is ozonolysis reaction? When alkenes are treated with ozone, initially alkene ozonides are formed. So this is ethylene ozonide. This is propylene ozonide. Right? So ethylene alkene ozonides are formed, which on hydrolysis gives aldehydes or ketones. Aldehydes or ketones. And this reaction is have useful in detecting the position of double bond. Position of double bond. So this is regarding the ozonolysis. Next one is oxidation. Oxidation reactions. When alkenes on reaction with cold and dilute, aqueous solution of potassium permanganate, which is also called as Bayer's reagent, Alkenes on reaction with cold dilute and aqueous solution of potassium permanganate, vicinal diols are formed. So vicinal means the diols means dialcohols, and vicinal means on adjacent carbons. So for example, if you take ethylene on reaction with Bayer's reagent, we will get ethylene glycol 1,2, ethane 1,2 diol, ethylene glycol, right? So these are the this is the oxidation property of alkene. When alkenes on reaction with cold dilute and aqueous solution of potassium permanganate, vicinal diols are formed. So for example, if you take propene with Bayer's reagent, what we will get? CH3, CH2, OH. So these are the diols. So this is the oxidation property of alkenes. Next one is polymerization. Right? So we know, we are familiar with polythene bags and polythene sheets. When alkenes on reaction, alkenes undergoes polymerization. Polymerization means smaller molecules are adding and bigger molecules are formed. So it is polythene bags and polythene sheets. We are very familiar with this. Polythene is obtained by the combination of large number of ethylene molecules. Combination of obtained by combination of large number of ethene molecules at high temperature and high pressure. High temperature and high pressure, and in the presence of catalysts. We will get this polythene. Right? So this reaction we are calling it as the polymerization reaction. Now what is polymerization? Polythene is obtained by the combination of large number of ethene molecules at high temperature and high pressure, and in the presence of catalysts. So the large molecule that is obtained are called polymers, and the reaction we are calling it as the polymerization. So smaller molecules are combining and forming a bigger molecule, macromolecule. That phenomena we are calling it as the polymerization. Here, the ethene, n number of molecules, for example, the large number of molecules of ethene are combining in the presence of catalysts at high temperature and high pressure, forming polythene. This reaction we are calling it as the polymerization reaction. So these are the some of the chemical properties of alkenes. So we have seen addition of hydrogen, addition of halogen, addition of hydrogen halide, addition of sulfuric acid, addition of water, ozonolysis, oxidation, and polymerization reaction. So in intermediate public examination point of view, the question will be asked like this: how ethene is prepared, how it reacts with the following, right? Whether it is in 4 marks or SI or 2 marks. So in 2 marks, I have already told what is Markovnikov rule, what is anti-Markovnikov rule, what is ozonolysis, how ethene reacts with water. Like this question will be asked. Thank you for watching Trinath chemistry classes. Please like the video, share and subscribe the channel.